Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a really fun open cap wig called Cali from Tony of Beverly, and the color on Cali is number 4, which is a really nice dark brown. So I'm just sort of going to leave Cali messy because, just like the product pics probably indicate to you, this one wants to be messed up. She looks good, kind of funky, punky, and fun. Just let her go. I mean, she's about as no fuss as they come, and if you embrace the mess, embrace the edginess, she looks great in just about every color. I like her in these dark colors though. I like the height you can get. I very easily could see this one being unisex, especially if you like a little bit of drama and a little bit of height to your wigs. The measurements I'm about to give you, take them with an epic grain of salt just because she's so shaggy and layered all over. The bang is about 4 inches, maybe 4.5. The nape is 2.25 inches. The sides, about 8.5. The crown is 4.5 to about 5, but I mean, it's super layered and you could do a ton with this wig. And the overall length from the crown down to the bottom is 12 inches. I really like this wig. I mean, it's a little crazy looking, but it looks really cute, and I sort of love it even a little bit more, I think, in these dark colors as opposed to the blonde in the product picture. I mean, that's cute too, but I mean, it's just really doing something in this dark color. Yeah, I think this one is kind of a winner. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. All right, so Cali has a completely open cap with a spade of permatease that goes right down the center. I don't know if you can see that, but big spade of permatease there, open otherwise. She's got open sides, open back. She does have an extended nape with a hook adjuster. And then we also have open ear tabs, so she's easy to wear glasses with. This one does have a fair amount of permatease in the top, and this one is, you know, not super duper stretchy at the perimeter, but like all of their open capped and harp cap wigs from the Tony Beverly collection, they will stretch out after a fashion if you wear them for a little bit, but right out of the box they're a little tight on me. I have a big head though, so don't get worried. It's my circumference is 23.5 inches. That is an average large measurement, so if it fits me tightly, it'll probably fit you quite well. So this has been my review of the lovely Cali wig by Tony of Beverly in the color 4. This one's crazy, kind of punky, sort of shaggy. It's fantastic, easy to wear and kind of comfortable on. I mean, all these Tony of Beverly wigs are a little tight on me initially, but this one will stretch out if you wear it. Will fit everyone else well pretty much right out of the box, unless you've got a petite head. So I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. Check out my wig store if you get a chance. Just www.CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.